Hon'ble Minister Khashim Vashum no monolith unveil supui thefiano program hushu tarisule hauta modze jino ajubi program hai mushen zano choperisule unveiling of monolith chief Minister Honorable Khashim Vashum invocation NGT Daniel President PNTM welcome address convener COC Presidential Address, President PNTM, Eulogy, Tribunal General PNTM, Nurturing Talents, various Veymai artists, greetings from Veymai, Cultural Display, Host Village, Speech from the Honorable Minister, Dream a Dream, Corollary, Vote of Thanks, General Secretary PNTM, Lighting of Torch and Oath Taking, Games and Sports PNTM, declaration of the 23rd PNTM tournament by the Honorable Minister. Jitawi program Vishwa Mushaza Talurai Denu Jitaw Ramai Visha Kolori Sulai. It is our tradition and culture to invoke God's blessings before we begin any activities. And so may I invite Mr. N.G. Daniel, President PNTM, to kindly summon the blessings.
Very good morning and greeting you all in the name of the Most High, the Almighty God. Dear friends, let us praise and thank the most loving and merciful Heavenly Father for the gift of a new and beautiful day and the gift of a new life to each one of us. As we begin this session of eventful day, let us bow our heads and submit ourselves into the presence of the Lord for his blessings and intervention. Vechipolake. Pu na ye rako mashi jihisenu. Amen. Hali hala supaya biju mapo ramai. Nikaloe nishoe. Jo tete tilihi tete availi pomai na his tipia. Veymai te dehini ve. Pomai na dipo kaihunde hinu tavedo za. Veymai nato penulu ko joanu be. Ramai ilatonu tavelo za beauty his. Nikalo pomu shaluhoi. Kai ha jimoa. Ye tutu shotulu hua bia biju Veymai na mai tarali hia pai hin chupa ju ye hinze pa ka no ju pa vetoma ile to po mai no tu ala putu kimeto pa asa sa vetolu vazno ramai ne kalwe ni shoi jo ze ramai Veymai na to no sudatu bia po mai na to shishi tu bia jo tete ile to vi sudak hati ju Pomena nanle kimeto no tu putu metonu ko avei li kolanu bakaka as tijuvi tournament hanaza soda pon ramai ni hoze sropuva shilanu bue ninu hakimeto la ha hapyo matsu tuleso jo tetihi shedu supila biju kadu shwanu tavelo biju makimeto pohinsa ninu hapyo e selikima ile kimeto Pomai na hinu, ye holo hadanu tavelu za biju hinu. Leaders avai leaders zao li tavelu anu ni honze hinu zedve. Program avai sulure dono nu ve bua bue ramai. Ni pile kemeto mai ha la pahiza shi hapyo. Ye seli kema ramai PNTM executive alia sate po la biju kemeto ha la Kotele potele jituluhua, so tosua va away solo don Ramai Pilikimeton, so on a bue, Jote Telihio lose Vahanshoha, Hodale, Nini Pilikimeton, my hurle, Biparani Akai, good day, sushi, so the bell. Je veux go away Hanahi, Solure Vazanu, Pa Suche Pichilure Donu, Ramai, Mato Linu, Toads, Shiki Sanano, Po Shilawa. Kika leva pomai donu chomo PNTM we tournament happen we are solo chair no solo you allow so be Pilikameto Pipa Bijima Kimeto la Ramai Pihijinu Haka ma Joshua donate creating his and in two Bobio you have a his coe. So Likima Ramai Je veux te tetelihi Kuna Hana happen a visual dono Holo Helenu Biju Department allow so on ve ja Jopen bue va salure dono Ramai Pilikameto my and ve Tavilu Zpen bue Ramai Mali Jisa Mali Jikuma Bijuma Je veux PNTM tournament 2024 puha via solure dono Ramai Chua poa Ali mo Ali hinu Tavelu Jopia Ali mo Ali hinu ko Jopa Bijuma like his Nivi hard you as a two bill e Nihis no Kowe Jolo's Rama Ilikimeto V G Boju Low Soju Go Taju Tatali Soju Jotin Hotale Nino Makima like low go Jolly him Buju my like Nino Hapio Mata to Lesoa Go he Jupila Biju Makimeto Hapio Acheju Zodotopio Gola Biju Nano two Putu Kemeto Ninipu Kemetoza Hapel Paper Taju the Pio Lukwa Bujutili his my son Hoza his Ramai Piletovi Koko Piletovi Kopu Hananupa my son Hoza his Gong Aomoa Nivi Avi Nini Hapiju Ramai Ninu Piju Do Kahananu Shisha Oh Pumena Lamode not to pay Lamoe Putu Lamone Pano Shisha no Nivi Ninu Piju Doka Hanapa, so to Soa Coloredano, Ramai, Gola Biju, Nakameto, like Pahinza Shihapel, Jo Tetelihi, Jupatelihino, Akaikute, Tari a high fabricute, Ramai, Ninu Ko Lujopia, my Naliapano Pahi, Chupa, Hanson calls the Masoma, Nivi hard Junazano, Mali, Pahinson, Kolupeo, Tia, Ramai, Asanu Alisoa Biju. Boo, ye naputu, e rako, mashi jinu, koloe. Amen.
Tralore Mr. N.G. Dehi Daniel, Ramahinu Ako Sotopui Vasanu.
We have 38 contingents this tournament. Now I request all the contingents to march into the ground, not all together, one by one. First, Tungjoy. Second, Tungjoy Rikubumai. Third, Ngamju. Fourth, Paibung Kulen. Fifth, Lower Tanamba. Sixth, Purul Akutpa. Seventh, Liai Kunauchi Lau. 8 PNTM Imphal, 9 Lower Koide, 10 Tingbao Kunau Shomai, 11 Purul Rosofe, 12 Veymai Liai, 13 Rikumai Tapau, 14 TNK, 15 Vako, 16 PNTM Dimapur, 17 Saranamai Kaiko, 18 Liai Kalapahar, 19 Liai Kangpo, 20 Lai Shirafe, 21 Saranamai, 22 Maiba, 23 Tingbao Kulen, 24 Kamsom Kufe, Hufe, 26 Sirong Sofe, 25 Sirong Sofe, 26 Lower Paibung, 27 Upper Koide, 28 Lai, 29 Ngari Raidulomai, 30 Paibung Kuno, 31 Khumai Tungam, 32 Puba Kuman, 33 Purul Atongba, 34 Ngari Lishang, 35 Kabung Karong, 36 Oinam Hill, 37 Kongdai Kuman, 38 Tungam Afer. Now I request the contingents to march into the ground.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Tungam, Youth and Students Organization. Tungjoy, sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Tungjoy, Youth and Students Organization. Second, Tungjoy Rekubumai. Next, Ngomju Matalaboy. Jutalabujanahai Pubakuman. Pubakuman Youth and Students Organization. Next, Talabujanahai Liye Kalapahar Alia Liye Kangpao. Chú ta có bùi na hai li ai chi lo. Li ai chi lo next li ai kulen. Li ai chi lo black jersey, li ai kulen red jersey. Chú ta có bùi na hai lover Thanamba. Then next Ngari Lishang. Ngari Lishang next Purul Akutpa. Purul Akutpa next Lai Sirafe. Lai Sirafe. Lai Sirafe next Maiba. Lai Sirafe next Maiba. Next, Rikumai Tapo. Rikumai Tapo. Paibung Kulen. Paibung Kulen. Ju takobu na hai lai. Lai. Ju takobu na hai koidi makha. Koidi makha. Chu tago bunahai tingba kunau. Tingba kunau. Chu tago nano PNTM Imphal. PNTM Imphal. Chu tago nano TNK Senapati. TNK Senapati. Chu tago nano Saranamai Kaiko. Saranamai Kaiko. Next, nano Purul Rosofe. Purul Rosofe. Chu talu nano Vako. Vako. Titali March Sutapo, Tibuyo. Titali March Sutapo, will. Chu Taluna no PNTM Dimapur. PNTM Dimapur. Next, Sirong Sofer. Sirong Sofer. Next, Lower Paibung. Lower Paibung. Sure, Buju contingents, you may hear request in a way, Titali, Tawe Court, if you or no, Tito Tile, so how much you know, Shoot alone in your Tingba Kulen, Tingba Kulen. Chu Luna no Chumai, Paibung Kuno. Chumai, Paibung Kuno. Paibung Kuno next, Kamsom Hofer. Kamsom Hofer. Kamsom Hofer next, Saranamai. Saranamai. Jiro tile so how more jono titali tapu dan march so bileke. Next talona no Koide Mathak. Koide Mathak. Koide Mathak next, Tungam Kulen. Tungam Kulen. Tungam Kulen next, Tungam Efe. Tungam Efe. Tungam Efe next, Kabung Karong. Kabung Karong. Khongdai Khuman. Khabung Karong with next high Khongdai Khuman. Khongdai Khuman with next Oinam Hill. Khongdai Khuman with next high Oinam Hill. Oinam Hill with next Purul Atongba. Talona Hai Purul Atongba. These are the 38 contingents for the 23rd PNTM tournament 2024.
My sư bất chụp và lời share. Thank you.
Check. Choloza, Convener, Central Organizing Committee, Dominic Azuna Hinu, Suju Chido Terisole, Serhi Telepuya Boy.
Thank you, moderator. President PNTM and his colleagues. By labor and honored, I extend a warm welcome to our chief guest of today's inaugural function, Khashim Vashum, Honorable Minister, Animal, Husbandry, Veterinary and Transport, Government of Manipur. RS Deco, Chief Patron for 23rd PNTM Tournament 2024. MS Khan, IAS, Additional Chief Secretary, RD, PR, Relief, DM, Fisheries, OSD, Manipur Bhavan, New Delhi. President, United Naga Council, President, Naga People Organization, Sanapati, Pomai Naga Union, Pomai Natamai Me, Pomai leaders, my fe. Ladies and gentlemen, today we come together not merely as individuals, but as a united community fueled by our collective love of sports. As we stand on the brink of this accelerating journey, let us acknowledge the significance of the moments that lie ahead beyond the cheers of the crowd and the powers of the competitors. Let us celebrate the essence of the sportsmanship, a spirit that transcends boundaries and unites us. In the arena before us, dreams will take flight and determination will meet in match. This is not merely a gathering. It is an embodiment of dedication, discipline, honored, and pursuit of victory. The field, the track, the court, they are the canvas upon which story of resilience and the triumph will unfold. May the spirit of healthy competition guide us, reminding us that winning is not solely about the final score, but the journey undertaken. As you engage in the battle to come, remember the values that sports instilled: teamwork, respect, and relentlessly resolve of improvement. And to the athlete, you are the heartbeat of this event. Your commitment to your craft is an inspiration as you step into the stage. Know that you carry with you the hope and dreams of those who cheer you. Play not just for personal glory, but for the camaraderies that make sports a universal language. To the spectators, let your enthusiasm revibrate through the stand. Applauds not just the victory, but the sheer effort, the sweat, the strength, and the dedication, each in every moment on the field. Your support is a vital force that fuels the competitive spirit. As we embark on this thrilling expedition of athleticism, let us savor every moment, the triumphs, the challenge, and the sheer joy of being part of something extraordinary. So, with the heart brimming with anticipation, let the game commence here to a memorable 23rd Veymai Nagatsu May Tournament 2024 at Tungjoy, Veymai, with the theme Nurturing Talent, where the pursuit of excellence intervenes with the celebration of sportsmanship. Enjoy the journey and may the best emerge. Play hard, play fair, and play for unity. Welcoming everyone, I, on behalf of the Central Organizing Committee and also the Executive Council of PNTM, would like to acknowledge and introduce some few personalities who have gathered here today. To our chief guest of today's function, Zojitavi, chief guest, Luan Nati Tilipisula, Zita COCL, PNTM on the Pina, Zita La Veymai local matter, the Akas sequence of follows up in a Talola Tilesum Hamar. May I have the honor to request our sir to kindly stand on your feet and receive a small token of love from the organizing committee as well as from the local.
Make in Veymai. Make in Veymai is an initiative envisaged by Veymai Nagatsu May in synergy with the Government of India mission Vocal for Local to leverage the scheme Make in India, launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2014, intended to boost self-reliance through production, processing, and promotion of locally available resources that has comparative advantages. The unique Poli or Oinam pottery, which has rich cultural ties with the migration from Makel and now losing its identity, the critically endangered Povo, a rare and desi breed of pig endemic to Veymai, now only found in Koide village, the famed Purul cup, known for its distinct taste and flavor, the blood red wild apple from Puba, the nutritious gooseberries from the Barak Basin, the juicy lemons.
Local meta below, ma'am. Zita local meta be Filipino tralole.
The nutritious gooseberries from the Barak Basin, the juicy lemons from Lai Sherifa, the giant tree beans from Lai and Saranamai, the proteinaceous Naga dal or French beans from Lai Circle, the oiliferous perilla leaves and seeds from Lai, and Ngari villages, the eco-friendly bamboo baskets from Lakamai, Maiba, and Liai, and not to forget the organic potatoes and cabbages from the beautiful Tungjoy village are a testimony to the richness of potential resources that is found in abundance, but never fully tapped for creation of livelihood, opportunities, and boosting entrepreneurship ecosystem. However, despite richness in genetic diversity, our villages suffer from development bottleneck and deficit in creating a healthy environment for business due to lack of research and development, negligible extension for capacity building and skill development, limited access to financial institution, and zero state of art technology for production, processing, and promotion. The student community is inspired by our young entrepreneurs like Naga Spice and Herbs, Hills Food, aka East Himalayan Foods, for pioneering the transformation. We now want to revive the lagging sector and spur the growth of the economy. In our quest to nurture budding talents, we urge our minister and his pro-people policy makers to create tangible infrastructures and facilitate investment.
Thank you, sir. Zita Frele, Zita be chief guest aka vela aka thipra la sinara Zita PNTM matano na atiti lipile. May I also request a respectable sir M.H. Khan, IAS, Additional Chief Secretariat, to kindly stand on his feet. Thank you, sir. We also have President United Anga Council. Thank you, sir. We also have President Naga People Organization. Thank you, sir. We also have Pomai Naga Union, President Pomai Naga Union.
My soa lashenu battle shady koi.
Thank you, sir. We also have Pomai Natamai Me, PNM. Thank you, ma'am. Zavu jida 23rd PNTM tournament vihi no thau sum du khape senara jida chu acknowledge susule. We have RS Deco, Chief Patron, PNTM 23rd tournament. Jida we RS Deco no zavu Chief Patron so pia boy ferat COC mata executive mata acknowledge susule we. Thank you, sir. Jida Shele, Royal Patrons, Dapya Ripo, Kyapo Mai, Hanan is a Vujida PTM tournament, he, Royal Patrons Lisupia Boy, Firajida Organizing Committee, PNTM at the Nonali Pilas away. Thank you, sir. Jida Shele, LS Ashile. hana royal patrons alisupia bue jita jo vinnu vivanu fera jita committee ma ta la PNTM ma tanu na te dili pilai su we pin dai busa alara pe pin ta lo le. Thank you. Jinuchu welcome ala introduction ala presentation vi tile pe su hana khaisu la now junu suma sida bunu mi shesu pasau la. Thank you.
Tralore Ino Dominic Azuna, convener COC Ninu guest my tayo welcome so to pui vasanu mushena hi jitawi president PNTM Associate Clement hinu presidential address trayusulai president hi telepuya boy.
A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Tavila buju, pumna matafi, zog via matavela shiana boy. My respect to the chief guests of the inaugural function, Khashim Vashum, Honorable Minister, Animal Husbandry, Veterinary and Transport Government of Manipur. Our special guests, MS Khan, Additional Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur. Our special guests, Angelo, President, United Naga Council. Our special guest, Sir Pyamarao, President, Naga People Organization. President, Pumai Naga Union, Dailot Pau. President and her colleague, Pumai Naga Tumai Me. Distinguished guests and special invitees on and off the dais. Convener COC Dominic Azuna. Convener Kola Sosa. Thomas, Chairman Tungjoy Village. Silvio, President Taiso. The President of the Tungjoy Women's Society, the volunteer in charge. My respect to the former presidents of the Pumai Naga Tujumaime, the pioneers and the leaders. My respect to our special invitees, ex-MLAs and ex-ADCs, leaders from various social organizations. My respect to the backbone of the Pumai Naga Tujumaime, the federating units and the subordinate bodies. My respect to the 3 zonal presidents, my esteemed executives, and ladies and gentlemen present this very afternoon. So Tavila Buju Hujida Pomena, Dajugude, Rokovisa, Hariano, Tila Villingorano, Tishi Televisiano, Pomena Hiramanano, Sobigazano, Holo Halanu Bujuma, Jido, Gife, Do Bujuma, Tavila Zerano, Jido, 23rd PNTM tournament hana akave no ajela no Tavila Buiso. Pomena Tore, Jo Tilezata Drudati Brando. Yeah, Tilego Karaji, the Pomena Jo, Shrush Vibaro, a song opera baro. A lot of the profession, Talino, which is the Pomahajo, do so Bakara. Hariano, program Kali, organizer a Butilegi, in Jashira. Davana Hajo, Tileza Dabi, Holo Vebuda Tyrano, program Hadasava Zalabuki, Jashanabue, Anu. Chukude, Jita Pomana, Puma Inavi, Zana Ferrano, Holo Bonabu Hajuma, Jidano, PNTM tournament Ali, Organizano, Jidano, Kuba Bitiligi, Asa Saharano, Nedavi, Avajo Nedavi, Alala Vatautan Tavilo, Zabuha. Joe, Shosabati Brano, Joe, Jita Puma, Mashla, Bra. Puma Diano, Bra Kai Tilegodi Brano, majority stage Alin Godi Brano, Heriano, program Avia Doso, Sela Bugia, Jida Lisiano, Tangwa Chamano, Sano Jida Bobia Buju, Man Losoboy. And so the last Zotavilla Buju, Jida with chief patron, alleged of royal patrons, Haya, Fair Heinz of Avila Boy, Fair Jimwe, Man Loso, Pumen no program ali organize la ya pop ya popiki. Fedo ha asa no. Alala vi jahino metabolism zacha pohino metabolism physically vela jana sobida metabolism zodo ka vi no e ju metabolism aga harano tu hara turu turano sasibe de feino zosano zo ino ido 23rd PNTM tournament ha hochu darano ji ni do hinzo bonshon boy madu mo de zba sasu mo de zabujma suma bujma puma jad aduliva president so khara zo duwarano jian lozu ponova Jia baji hasa pobina ana zohaji do haji do program zo dile tol ha fe ko la di brano jin lo pala ma ana hara ne pohobino ji do nurturing talents anu team and hino atela to la budi legi ji do ha ateli shumo anu ji do pomena holo no babuji ma do ala la tu avasa ma da ven shirano mal le ve dorano lish ve azkhara ji do li sha ba di brano ji do ha tene vi reason di bon ma ve sa va zola no zobo Jamais d'atelier, mais dans l'énergie à pouvoir. D'avant, il doit pas mal nous te jouer du bon. Nous, à tu te devais la faire pouvoir. En nous homme d'or. Il doit nous à tu te lever à moi. Nous, holo nous bois bouju, nous te faire very representative nous bois. Fait dans nous. Football, volley, basketball, vers à moi bois bouju ma. Fait dans individual game nous vers à nous. Et depuis nous, Allah vi share à faire nous mais fait nous vers nous bois. Kule rahi jida no program avilis la bua buti ligi jida no kule shia dus la bua buju na promotion bie medali ha le down medali ha zikhda yang an pomena zikhala mushe jida zo shia duna kule jida no jobuna very mo buima jida pomena nu ha jugu de ve za buti ligi jida davan zikhala davan zutila zu du bulaje hazona jo zon jo buano dao dagori dao dos moshi aka pradulaje Zavina dili, Tungjoy numerono, so thousand of the one I know. Preparation second of Buju. Came down Mama ground of Maha. Jida Bumaki, Minister of Viharo, Jida Bumaki. Ava and John somewhere on the Jida Stadium of Vivi Soramo and the Tia Bujuma, Zoti Tezida Tungjoy, Jida Veymai numerono. So Tazo, Pomena Devano, Pomena PNTM tournament, Mazumba Village, Mavi, Standards Villano, Fedano. Infrastructure, Vivi Villamoma Fedo. Jida hi boa buju, jida resource ne vera fevishu. Gelira village bugada no. Jugude, snap the district ground has on the vi aligada bude ma jino lerche. Te mana mate vet so durano. Mate veno zoti tezo, tavelo relish ma mano. Tagro tilia, malili qusano, malili baba no jida pomena aka avia du zala jida mate feno pomeno. Homadore. Jida mate feno. Zo vema de fezo, zolibano vigilibano vela. And a vision and a cajito. Zo, you don't office at the Libu with the plan, office at Libutano. You know the office in a zoo, nurturing talents and the Gitano. Hanavi, Jeep in the Zo, Atela Bua with the Hinza. Malin here, a tray, especially a tray on him. Jidovi, Jetta, the Venus and Gono. Jidovi, Pominavi, Do Venus and Gono. Malin Shipulache, a Trevishu Azavar La Moshe, a Trevishu Adavar La Moshe, and the Hana Tunjumano, horses because Tavila Bukin, Avashi and Hala Moshe, and the numerous Mafeve, Jidovi, Jetta, the Vienna. Jidovi Lishana, it means Jidovi, a V, Hana Fevin, Obiano, numerous Mabano, Fedano, Tete, hard Fegodono, Jidora, Vejuquabuano, Fedon the Socazana, Jida, a Vienna Feve, a Vienna Fevishu, Fedon Pian Halaji, Tavila Buju, Federating in this matter Fane, until I saw a trailer boom at the Fanes, Hajan request Rabino. Zoti Tezido, 23rd PNTM tournament, a Jabu Jidoha, Narishe, Davane, it does. Talada Budiligi, Jidovi, leader mano, so also vision adulibano. Jida Pomina, Joe, a song of Budifano, Jida Pomina, Akave, a Zuramoshi, Akave Union, Kalisur Moshiano, Buvanido, PNTM Hana, Fave Socos of Budifano. Unit Matore, Nidamono, PNTMs, Halamoy. Unimadan Akal, Likapalache, Zotavilla Matafenza, Likaparano, PNTM Sports and College and Chokazana, College and Sosana, Nedon Sun do Son Sopiano, Matafan Assassin, Jida Pomina. Alala nui khadabu diliki jidavi jeda da viana malili hinderano have numerous man derano jida pomena sotie leader lisla ji tavla wi leader ma da fenza pon bo nzula zo tavla wi nele ma do hi atremano vegula la bu ma do hi atre military jida tournament is ve bu in soi mo ano nedan vegula bi wana atremado encourage supurano federal ve ko subiano federal 飞到喏，在跳舞演到喏，飞到啊在手表边喏，买里里介绍喏，遇到不门那是，遇到边疆多那么那 vision 喏，哪来些呢？是还喏，什么我们需要不是吗？遇到不门那opportunity 个里边喏，unfairly，不啦？遇到不门那，现在阿个了，因为啊就地里死那飞到，既然喏，不门那阿发是起来些了不得边喏。IVS team exit ma dong hino jemo promote lauzu bula an tian bu hajuma jumja no malili aka malili vi avi jemo na no nieno lo vuro ni jemo na ja aka lo sa jira no jida pomena asa la khada la sha ji hada no jida ma de fin zo fa ve jida pomena ma de fin hada no sa no boy once again to our esteemed guests on and off the dice, the office of the Pomai Nagatul Maime is indeed indebted for all the presents. Although we may not be able to serve all of you with a gift, however, please be rest assured that our prayers and our wishes are with you all. Today, the Pomai youths gathered here this afternoon to give our testimony that we, as one people, will be merging together. We have much forward, and yet in days to come, we will be merging together once again. Devano, Hanano ji, Chiba Hasla, Matafeno, Vishano, PNTM tournament, no Lashano ji, Akazano Pound Boy. Long live Pomai Nagatu Mame, good nalim.
Tralore President, Ajo Jitawi, Shohi, Pomai ex-MLA, ADC members, Aliat Samtulo, Vishaburi, Sahamaita, Willa Boy, Anata Korai 22nd Jan Cultural Day Juno acknowledge Sori Sule. Geolozer, Geology, Isaac Tawina, Tribunal General, PNTM Hitailepuya Boy.
Hello, PNTM. Let's show to Pumana. Let's assure Juve ito 23rd PNTM tournament he Veluju unit my visi. I'll just go straight to what I have to say. I felt it is important because as time goes by, we tend to focus only the present. We don't have an opportunity to reflect what came before us. I thought, okay, but I didn't quite realize just how emotional that it is going to be, because I took it right back. Fortunately, I can remember our former leaders in the journey of PNTM, whose leadership that make us strong and that make us a solid PNTM today. Without our former visionary leaders, we will not be here on this 23rd PNTM tournament. Where I stand here today, others have already stood. So I hardly know, my fellow Pomana, what to say and where to begin on an occasion like this. Joe Ito, PNTM Union Form Soju, we are step into 48 years of PNTM assistance. And we produce 24 tenures of 24 presidents in the journey achievement that's leading our PNTM and that's leading our Pomana. And also today, as we begin our 23rd PNTM tournament in this very village, Tungjoy, Veymai village, hosted by Tungjoy's Youth and Student Organization, I would like to give my highest respect, my highest honor, and tribute to our former leaders, who are, many of us are on the stage, on the dais, and many of our former leaders didn't able to turn up today, and very few of our great leaders who have gone before us. Ju ito huini, PNTM huini pa leaders who be biju ito tauta biju, lipo hana hini tauta biju madole biju. Let me highlight their names and their contributions. Our late former President El Kaji from Purul Rosufa, he was the third president of PNTM from 1979 to 1981. I was not born yet. He served the tenure of as third president. He breathed his last on August 24th, 1995. Again, our late P.T. Ashray from this very village of Tungjoy village, he was the 6th PNTM president from 1986 to 1988. Last PNTM tournament, he ito former leader, ito former hoini leader supwe biju, ito PNTM hini former president P.T. Ashray on the valedictory closing ceremony he with chief guest suwe. What he says, kuno daichi power tijo. Ito pumana tournament teju kochili no kun next tournament hin takhave dopule tini puzo chi power. Ana jo ito hohi lulimoano, the pohi ito zer rani talatare. I believe our great leader, he has been looking up from there, and I feel that he's very proud of all of us gathered here. We feel so grieved and so pained today in his absence. Third, our late Raisa Rasi Evergreen, popularly known as the King of Romance, he contributed so much for us, for our Veymai community and district level as well, held from Purul Akupa. He was the 8th PNTM president from 1989 to 1991. And he breathed his last on 13 Jan 2021, before the 22nd PNTM tournament held. Once, our executive, before he passed away, a week before he passed away, we came to visit him. Despite of his illness, he feels so strong when we step in to pay a visit. He shed his tear out of happiness that my people, our pomena, if each other, if akip poveda tini soju ngai ni lasa shon chapwe ana ito rasara shi hai ito hui jo velu monobe. Next, let N.K. Matthew from Kunde village. He was the 15th PNTM president from 2000 to 2022. Ito hui ni kusho biju leader Voyali ito depoi tautanobe on 18 December 2008. Lastly, we miss the presence of our late brother, and every young also know, late Abraham Ngade from Purul Rosufa. He was the 21st PNTM president from 2014 to 2015. And he breathed his last on 6 August 2021. Tedono ito jovi ito hoani ma PNTM president makadai ko mini mai ngoli he te po thata no be ala PNTM hi lo executive biju pomai hini de po hi thata ta mai to doni. Let us all rise on our feet and remember them for 2 minutes to honor them, to give a great tribute to our great leaders. My wish ni kishu lakhu tini minute a high silent hi bipuyo tini my wish in the corner be oh pay state simple matter let's see ito former leaders matter hai my heart ito ko ito chu hai kini ve bule moi te don't ito leaders matter respect so ni minute a high silent hi bule ke. Thank you, everyone, and please be seated. They are not just a member of our community, but they are the backbone, its heart, its soul. Today we remember them who dedicated their life to the service of others, to the service of our Pomana, to the service of PNTM. Let us make sure that they are not forgotten. Long live Pomana, long live PNTM, and long live high value bu olai ju mai wisi koknalim.
Tralore Sir Isaac Tawina Tele Muchato anu Chief Opivanu Acho 23rd PNTM tournament vi team song Supayaburi Veymai artist mai tau hinu lottery sole ni mai tau hin tele Pyaboy.
Hello. Check.
Hello. Check.
Hello, check.
uplift PNTM.
Thank you.
Triva shere, tralo shere, ni mai tau nu rakelo to nu supi vasanu. Jita opu mai na mai tawa, lo suri mai zonu nu moe raji pau niwe. Maim sonu, jipo mai artist mai tau denu pu da kai bam tau puleshe. Thank you. Choloza, Miss Javinai Anake, Miss Tona 2023, Alia Tournament V Ambassador Hino message to Risole. Miss Javinai Anna, Nihi Telepuya Boy.
We should have a little Itani show for sure, Biju PNTM tournament way. Chido of winning it on his lots of shuni sunimbe. Respected like all the guests and all the delegates present here. I am Javini Anna, 2023 Miss Toner. Nidoni Hibani Lasashuni Hiviloper, the Nikipiwani PNTM members met on his Kalaponi Bay. A little host team metal, Nidonu, Kai Hajimonu, Vashum, so to Pijuanu, either way program Hana success awaiting Iluche. Ramekala Shure, they have waited up by 1 year. A little hit on you, so dar Biju, tournament Hanavani, the new Soda Bijinu, High Villa Juvani Kala Shure. Yes, Timokarni, Team Stoli Vedau Pukaye, let's show you. Nitonu Sukai to Ju, Nitonu Pukai to Ju, a little Nitonu, Zilla wishing you so dollar with lighting in Luchini Bay. Javi tournament Hina High to loser. Nitawije Dopangole, discipline, a little Nitawi team spirit hypopangoju, tournament Ali Sololai. Nitonu Veko Bijupaki, Willow Light Ve, Ani, my wishy high Willow Hoy, a little Sitemokarni, Willow Bijumatarapmani, Kopuhini. We want to ha karamoni. We shoni nitawe win we trophy high respect to law. A little hair buju metal. Yet all look high to so. Nasin dija hanaza. Voyage puniro, weka ani voyage pu. Tipuza. Yet on you lots of thought in you bulula. A little teshi dijuma. Yet away dignity. Yet on you so high to jupu high. Hakani hare tipu chopiso. It on you tournament Hana in you, so that Jupira, yet away loads of wishing you pupang up well, Asia winning up well, Jay winning solo like here, a little it on my wishy. Ju hot are a new kaikote, sa one year tournament ali solo like here. Last, Nito Ju local like Biju metal, a little athletes metal, or any individuals games, or any other tournament. Any games? Nito his our best wishes regards Pinibe. Kalashe.
Tralore, Miss Javinai Anake, the new players might encourage so to Piva Sanu. Choloza, host village, he cultural display with Telepuya boy, Nimaita Nutile Fepuluza Tralole. Feast of Merit. Feast of Merit for the entire village, locally called Moze. The community yohoing is sang by the kins of the person performing the Feast of Merit while helping harvesting the paddy and carrying them home to encourage teamwork. Feast of Merit. Feast of Merit. For the entire village, locally called Moze, the community yohoing is sang by the kins of the person performing the Feast of Merit, helping while harvesting the paddy and carrying them home to encourage teamwork. Tralo Shere, Tungjoy Cultural Troupe, Nimaitau nu Tuda Tawa, Fevi Hai Vivia Supi Vasanu, Nimaitau Tralo Pawe, Mam Supu, Batau Pileshe. Kalore. Ngashigi special guest oina lengshing biriba Honorable Minister Ming oina panjarabada Shri Khashim Vashum bu ahanba makta ikai khumna jabaga loina taramna okchari loina na wahai khara thambinaba haijari.
Hanbada Honorable Chief Minister and PNTM Mahuta Tungjoy Village ki Khulakpa Chairman Praja Singh Kunchi Damana Lakni Haina Ngarang Degi Chopper Pova Trail Landing Pova Ngarang Degi Tauruga Ngarang Hingsu Akwai Pamine Aishina Minister Krayam Comde Tonavan Chopper to a Karida Chalaga, a Halamrage, no in a chopper the law, which you can Matam Pajamin and no way Karida Chapsun Nongaroe have the gay, a tunda. Nasai yuk to send up the heck cross Toruga. Narangsi Ukuda Functionama, same students conference of the Arang say live telecast Toruga. I should hang to nothing to mother Misko Yam Yoga, Madame do the check over the my call she found in head of the Yam no I dre Moregi Totoxina a Tungjoy program she Lakpangam Roy have the 8 Paki Dovra and Paki Sir Paki Dog None Hana Hirame Adukra Chalaga. Masi cancel tore hana magi private secretary na amok harak bada maduda. Aidi ngakhrabni senabdi lamthoroga e lakpangam roe haina haibida ngakhraba adu magi private secretary na masi confirm torok basida aishi haipum thoktrabni. Akoi honorable chief minister na ngasinumi chida ma laktabasi e yam mistoy adu praja singbo aduga delegates kun kunnagi lakpasingdasu aina masi lakning dadana aina sigumba program cancel to from male have si masima sidi moibulo hongano ai su government da lerap su ngarang moregi thotok tadan nang asai snabil cross to khradungda ngarang ngasi more de thokiba irangdu media digi nokhoina su adum phangba ngamni aduna Honorable Chief Minister Lakpa Ngamdava Sida Noke Mayamda Aina Magi on behalf da Noibu apologize Aduga meeting conference Mr. Have si Ihan Hanmada A Simasi Pongdok Janinge Mana Honorable Chief Minister Simasi de announced to be more Haba Matun Inna Aina Matang Adum Hayige Sports Gallery si Kunsigi village na request of villages ma'am request of do one village one playground kukang ama sana pung ama 60 to 70 lakhs ki misima city kumsi financial lamang da sima city identify tauruga kendra khuding da 60 MLAs magi Kendra da toning ba chaka do identify dorga masi march mamang da masi pangthok pikni ya si magi assurance masi masi pirame 60 to 70 lakhs ani shubda eco tourism lodge huts in the village viewpoint hana nahoina hairak padu masi masi so homestay gi type the homestay and eco-tourism in the village. Sigi matang sida funds huje si government of India deksu asini han later su state government arrange orga first trial when homestay ki dama 20 lakhs se sima se su tobing ni apsi bagi assurance sama sida so pirakre Ahum Shubda multi-purpose building requested by Tungjoy Village Authority. Sima Siji. Ani Shubda smart auditorium requested by Students Union. Sigi Matangsi, Hujik Paudi scheme si Central Government of India lately Adubu. We can modify the proposal to meet the requirement of the public through availability funding source, center or state. Sima Sisu ma consider to be gay has Sima Sisu Hujik Makudi Fancy Sigini Hain Hadana Missidi assurance Peter Su, Missima Sisu Taunova Mahonatake has a Sima Sisu later. Mary Shub the inspection bungalow. Hujiksi inspector inspection bungalows huji underway, repairing current doing inside a part of Jamba Surang Sukrapake, repair doing labor male. Adogasigi, Fansima City, Targa Kralisu, VW Works Department Makada program Hadraga Simasu, additional fund if required. Monsieur Amokasu Tarka Lesu, Sima the Supang, Tobigni Sima, Sisu, Tarka Lesu, Sisu Tobigi Simagi, assurance Samani. Manga Shubda, Village Ring Road. Village Ring Road si Nohe Sigi Kun Sigi Gandete, Agishu Agi Kunda 21-22 da Masi program si Masi the administrative approvals A Su Lakraga 22 da Masi cancel to keep si Hoji 2022-23 ki Sigi Medasi Quarter lady Nina Missy Quarter Kanna, Missigi Quarter, Aquay Kramadi Tabakshu Suhore, Kramana, Wagoter Pandaga, Atuka Kramana, processor labor Hina, Lady Bamiams in the quarter, Missy Kaino Toraga, Court Givertic Matung in Missigi, see legal issues, she tune settled on Mrs. Honake has a ring road case issue, Ma Mrs. Honabige has seen no Memna Simasisu, assurance pire. Last 26 police outposts, 26 outposts hang masida agi kunji yoribni masida 2.62 crores under process for sanction. Atuga masi delay khato gipsi estimate revise amuk tobuda masi delay tobni adu pesasi money will be sanctioned shortly. Hana Masidamana Iba Simasu Birga Lea, Aduna, Honorable CM Sana, Lagrabsu, Hujik Aina Hariba Sima Sigi Assurance Mayamse, Aina Noqueda Tambigni, and Soidorga, Ado Aquegi, leader singer, Honorable Chief Minister Tanjalo Ruga, Masima Sisu, Raunda Bureau have Sima Sisu, a hijanic, Hujik si, Mana and the Quay Mayam Bomsi. Hojik Irang Lebnina Masu Tokayatwa, Aduga Ate, Lakning Basing Dusu, Tasheng Badingasi, Masida Department, Minister Mangasi Yohalaga, Sida Awadapat, Mayam Sisu Yanganke, Nahuana Sida, the Solgi program near Lorise, Sikumakutong Tiwa Toknia, and the Kanan Suhaibangam Dalingasi Ayuk, suddenly Markin Selto Sida, Praja Mayamne, Lady Ba Ijinao Pome. Praja Mayam Masu Masida Tongan Lobig no has a CMG on behalf of Noka Mayam boy appeal those of near. Hojik City, CMG, Senior Hype City, expenditure Tokiba, Mamaki to do Podi Yorkti, Adobo, no Simiti, sorry, Siloega, a president. Aduga Kungi Ahan Sing Nasu, no Quetanja Java, Dam Amada CMBO, Unaba Tanja Loro has a Sima Harega. Noki Kutalere, Kramai Dogota have the Noina, Undabamatam, Noki problem, Tokiba Miam to Dumna to share Mamon the Suto Bureau as Sima City a hiding a. Hojik Ladiba, Honorable Chief Minister, Aquay Maruene, I take it at the Palaroe, Adubu, Aquay tribal sing the day, Maruene, Aquay, Hojik Ladiba, Senapatida Ladiba, the Ukuda Leba, sorry. Chandel Lariba, the Melong the Lariba, Sigi, Mahagna Saga 2017 Dagi, Bakalaga, Hujik Hawa, Sigi Progressi, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯎꯠꯂꯦ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯇꯃꯦꯡꯂꯣꯡ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯋꯦ 37ꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯍꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯇꯃꯦꯡꯂꯣꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯅꯥꯁꯨ ꯆꯠꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯄꯣꯁꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯇꯃꯦꯡꯂꯣꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯥꯡꯄꯣꯛꯄꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯇꯃꯩ Tamelong headquarter, Sipova Yobagi Lambisu Kana Huji, Tono Labra, Aduka progress Kana later, half from broad, Ate su progress the Lipsi, Eque, Ching the day, Kachitan Oilsu, Magi Wakansi, Equegi Ching shi, go to village, go to hills, Mayam Siloturka Hoy, go to hills, go to village, Tungdaba, Monsieur Sito being the Sito being and Namdab Sukrat later Mayai, Adobo. अखोई गवर्नमेंट ngakta bu claim do the अखोई technically अखोई प्रजा सिंह सु सोय हो सु खरा लेबनी अदुना हाइरिबा प्रोजेक्ट मैम से पाइखबदा होजि politics ina masi phai masi phate adu phai phate masi tobidra wangak tanganga haba tukma wasu ngangi bisu मैम सु तारिमनी अदुबु थबक न साखिनी हाइसी सीमा से सु प्रजा सिंह सु खरा फाप ताबिरो मरोइना aina ate chatingeda Senabatiga Ukrugig connectivity Matang that Kichitan Panding Bese. Hojikse, Nasi Libak Pana, Akwegi Honorable Jimmy Sam Samak Laktrabsu, Nisigi Artigi, Akwegi Additional Chief Secretary. Ipai Khanse, IC Masi, Luram Dai Magi, Retirement Sulazi, Atu Libak Pana, Missy RTC Man, Piring Esida, Tanjasilo Handing Bana, Okwegi. Khashim Lai Omegi area, synaptic area, the connect yam doning. Government of India and the CPR, I know contractoring at Laiga, Khashim Maragda Tongsi, 200 something kilometer, feet chair, 205 feet, quite one of the longest in the CPR. Government of India na nungsi biduna sanction dobirga madu inauguration to Torumni. Toraga hojiksi lambi si PWD da su fund matik chan later ne misi PMJSY the proposal say akwegi honorable say Kendra Sigi honorable MLA ex-minister Aigi Muru Serteko ibani kanna honaraga lai side to nang try doro ukru side aina tai doga hanaraga masi akwegi Huji MP labor, Dr. Hollis Honaraga, Masigi programs, Kana Yonova and Honaraga, Masi, the midway Nakra, Hapangam and Masi Yote have a Pau Kratai, Adubo, Masima City, Senabadiga, Ukrugi connectivity, Nation, IB 129, border had proposal about to some Egi Kunjita. Pillar number 129 is the connect over Hana. Tatubi to Lai the Khashim the Egi Kun Hapsi, Ukudagi, Egi Kundagi, Senabadi, Khashim 25 kilometers, Aduga Senabadi, Khashim the Laigi Lambisi, Turan Bobs only 10 kilometers, Adudagi Lai or sea of the Tatubi of the Masida, Aquena, Hoji Kanchada in Hanningmana. Akwe Ukuda, si Laisi Lake Harade, Pabu, si Tungjoy Lake Harade, Akwena, Ukrum Hovatalaga, Ukruda, si Amuk Lakraga, Sumana, you type the Yorga last point, si Amuk Lakatoriwa. Aduna, Akwe, Tankulga, Tango is quite Makaram the Leba Egirape, Asiga, Laiga, Liai, Aduga, Sigi, Tungjoy si Pasoroga, Mesitadu Visi Poga have a Lambisi, the end of Pugniam Tangaga. Madam do the SPA Haina send special planning assistance ki Makada Lambi do Kakraka Hojiksi maintenance later machine Namdab Digi Aquene PMJ so happy Naba Haina Masima City request of Don Lega Hojik Paudi Oidri Trosu Kandam Sigi se Kandam Sinoto Biroasi Mayam Gimamanga say Egi Pai Kansi Masu Tangunu Pilogni Mala Masi Tantasilorga Masi in a special request of me. Ani Shubada Aquena Senabdigi Ichino sing the Kia connect on Ningbra Haraga, Hojiksi, I madam Karalorga, Missy History, Aquegi Okru Districta, ngasi si lai pak phana aina sida lepa phamsi sorgi Tanzania ni sorni piba platform ni eloninge tadu bi tu ukhur via toloi haiba lambi si huji lakba ain lakba da huji progress yang bada e yam waroi mesi NSIDCL da sanction le ga mesi tender process ta kra kuina change lampera to ena lampera to ba chaga du thamro ya ba chaga du thuna to biro har ka main board le ba moi ki contractor sin delay do da prachar sing bu su claim do su kra le bini hoji ki lambi se tadu bi du ukhur via toloi haiba lambi si icha sing na khoi si phajana tabirogo masigi si lambi si any problem thok the machine ne se hawe hangba madam da tambak da problem le repsu ne se hawe 37 da problem le repsu masi da imphal chat ba yad ba problem le repsu masi hang thok rab de ekhoi gi business prospects kha chawn le ni ko aina nga sai pillar number 128 128 29 30 28 chin Nagaland tare 129 chin egi khun magni only 3 km from my village masida akoina communication father dige hanna no khun sida sul lerme khun simak da nade adubo senamdi da su ahansing lerme akar haina akar wood sandalwood tu madu first hok do more than nadabni go madu first hok do pillar number 129 Chinuni vertical larga missing business a coin home nico. Adobo a quick communication yada big morelum dam to business can keep me. High riba tadubi do Ukrugi Lambise, Laipak Pana, Madudaso, in laws. Mr. Chiperna, transport surface transport piring eda, Magi Nubisi Tuloi degi Christian home man Malikitre, Chipersu, who did the Daitale. Mana aina Ukrugi Deputy Commissioner of Mini Secretary Kanna Saring Esida Mana Union Secretary wearing Eda Madam Duda CPW Chief Engineer Mabani Egi Mini Secretary to Young Balakpata Masi Chitambaram Masi Inaugural Torani have the last inspection Lakpata Madu just memorandum be the Egum the Chaksabandam Madu request of the Masi Hapiraga Sigi Lambisi Huchik Pau the Sigi Pipam Leipsi, no Prachagi pressure shooter Kalesi, egg hiding Maramdi, business Hype City, Timar Bungak the Kalnaga, output not the Kalaga, a quick input later of the Missy, as you business house Sigi Lapunina, any Sigi City Krakange, Aduna, no younger generation, no Koi Huchi Aquina, Kaliba Sida, no Angang Singna so, Ahan Singna so, Sigi, Aina, Pomade Pu Nusiman Bagiwana. Pomena Tanghunung Siman Bagin Nataba. Sig Lambisi future Equagi Lambi Amani Habji, Missimaji, Noe Huji Satra Sing, Larry Hype Sing, Noe Missimasi Kobino, Hanna Masiki Lambisi Shembike, Hanna, Tobi Ramba, Equagi officer sing the so. Moidas acknowledge Tokatamni. Madame do the Crafton to NSCPR, and the Tongsawam do amazingly calm now. Northeast Council ki secretary oirme, egi best friend oirme. Aduda ke matusu kona terga amuk tokni amoka NSCPR deke government of India su pego. Chalo river da su amok atukuma same size amuk towa pangbada matuda government of India su create labor katai da no su kangdom sida thong achowa ni saba pangbani. Masi future ki tamak business ki tamak de. Adu nangisi akoi na su akoi ki chinau sing Akoi Turenda has a sida Kairaga, some sites in A Kendra, some sites in Mauga, Karon. Aina Sino Quebutaze Maramdi Agi Hanagi Murup, Maya 1977, Shilong the Equina Lading Ishida Paume Ahan Sing Mayamne, Paumegi identity, Paume si Sinico, Hino, Wakiba Mimeam Labnigo. Back to 1977-78. Madame do the Egimrum Masulme, Masin National Worker Oina, Paibundagi, Laura apparatus Kang, Pearson and Eggy classmates, San Anthony's College, Masin National Worker Oina Tonga, Masila 티나 CEO 이런 밤dam자 마시 갑키브니 마시 핫키브니 아미나 아이는 후지 너코이다 빨리시나 봄에 시끄러마네 코시 하우브라 아이기 아한싱 사 아이기 마망다 한내기 프레센스보 마네 액놀리지 토비브세 아이 시마시디 얌 다가니게 너코이기 시 아이기 스피사조 에 넥스트 에 잣밤담담 시디 아코이다 시군무스 꺄레데 또 ngasi ai 봄이 되게 미시 담바 팡무시 ai 얌 라이박페 ngasi si sports mini sports ni ana masida sports ngaktakinade sida krithokni amarumda adobo sports oba 할시지 군나마가 아마가 석항나다서 masida sports 능신나나 masida 아코이 sports 아두가 호지간이 마담시다 니사메 암토부도 마두다 와칸지 조이다 한다더나 스포츠하고는 와칸지를 한게 하비기 때문에 Government of India and Government of Manipur Youth Affairs 하는 도로가 스포츠 한시 메시기 토너먼트다 풋볼 감로 그리도니 아두기 때막나데 아두보 에코에기 와칸 파다바 칸모도 스포츠 from 칼라가 next year 시 아무 토너먼트 레다 에나 후지 youth 하르데 에나 후지 니사시 도르데 에 사나바 야르바 앙앙시다 두 마와칸 줄레입니 후지 시다 레다 game spirit discipline hard working 머로이네 discipline patience 마얌세 이자시 호렌존도 풋볼 사나보다 패션 레이더는 나이방 감는 서울에도 패션 레이더랍니다. 노고 보래. 애기 와시고 노해 따갑다데 농아로에. 아두부 애디 애네 강닝디 스트레이트 아tum 방강강네. 노해 동안을 오구노. 애수 봄에 꿈문에 애수 방소소니. 야압도 야바 야답도 야답아. 애네 애기 안강싱다. 호직 앵원다 헤르도리시 애기 시구리 머럭다수 애 봄에미다 타메고 애 타제고 애기 드라이브스 봄에 레 애기 윰기 시수 앵원다 헤르도리바 애기 라이프 쉐프도 없어서 봄에 애기 워커싱 얌용니고 애 타제 호직 넣고 애기 호직시 Hon'ble 엠블레 고모사시 chief host 마시 후징시시 마수 쪼버를 라케는 더러 마시 락부스 능루에 드랍니나 마 락세 아들수 마수 나하니 메시데스 코퍼레이션 비르가 아마 마르수 바바 파타부스 노헤네 엘렉트옵니 노헤네 커렉션 도부담니 아파부스 노헤네 아파바 브로피브니 파레 마기 감다발레스 노헤네 아스마인 토로시 인크레서로 아코 가시 샵스 세임니 아코이나 마기 견나시다수 봄에 마기 견다수 여부수 레르무니 마나 마오르수 마기 견다수 봄에 쇠딘 레르무니 아도는 메시다수 노이메안나수 코퍼레이션 비로 애김로 아이팅 시디 애김로 테고 샵시디 우나가드라 하는 시디 에 칼라메 아두부 마기 아테 인게 레 하름니나 아 가이데 아두부 핸드 핸 호직 파우다 애기 더막다 세납데 레리바 엠레홈 라스트 탐다수 ngasisu 호직 파우다디 애기 담학대 모이다 adjust 없이 얌나 농아에네 시수 에 하이닝에 에 ngang 하루디 빵앙앙네 마담수 얌 상날로레 아도 에르수 ng시기 시다 호스토리바 곤네시기 닝타우 곤시기 development chairman collection 아두가 PNTM 기 president and team 군군기 데리케스 락바게 유닛 프레센싱 이차싱 노이시다 후지 사나가다바 이차싱 호직 라이박 판네 에코기 미락다 UNC기 프레센조 시다 판매 NBA고 프레센조 시다 판매 UNC기 프레센 하이지 노이는 너코이 군기 미어되게 노이는 강남와도 UNC 프레센 하리디 나가야 돼야다 마범 석항도지 얌 좋네 레이바 얌 좋네 마스터즈 탐바 어제 코임브락다 애기 군지대게 오자 코존 세송 것이 라박판에 우나바팡에 아데 오자선 선조 에 로에나마 민시 발라로에 아이나 호렌 크라마 강무싱 발라가 강담싱 김밍 합들도 무슨 소건민에 것이고 아도 에 레스펙트 노 코임이암다서 에 비리 그 신놈이치 아시군바 소르네 던자 애기 시다 프로그램스 애기 민수 아마스 요래 농다시 요래 아마스 요래 애 아두기도 애는 과지 농아이도 아두니 민합을 가면도 chief guest 오버부디 accidental prime minister라 accidental prime minister 하고 말고 그 데이비드 고다가 AC 라이프 캠페 ngasi chief guest asumana noibu interact over phangbse ayam laibak phe ayam haroe aduna ichasing noegi ekhoi future si hujik si 65 yore aigi matam leitre adu aigi dream sima si noi fulfill to biroko aigi dream si fulfill to biroko akhoi mataniko yes yam thakaninge ngasi si다 government side 기수 후지기 던자 이랑시 마얌 슬레이브니나 노이부 government of Manipur 나수 얌 너코이나 밤부터 도비방 감다바 엠레싱나수 도비방 감다바 시다 노이나수 와칸 파도바 롬다 잣그노 애기 자도 애기 트라이브나 아파부수 파테해봐 파타부수 페하나 빡이 이바 미티아세 akhoi pomai de akhoi nagamja sing lesson pise media print and media asengba print and media noi busu ikai khumba ai uteri adobo print and media saba individual mobile pa han pang i bising se national movement da khangde politics da khangde CSO mean da khangde UNC da khangde NPO da khangde DNL ga khangde masi against service nang national work amasu tawram draba national cause asu nang na mateng pigisu krisu leitaba mutu kambusi ne hen ngamni CSO de yodaba no CSO sida kya sacrifice obra han khangdaba noi ne hen ngamni linna 직접적인 링기 후 khangde linna 직접적인 링기 후 khangaya ba mutu asheng bang makniko jasing aduna ngi sinumisi 시කු마 던자실로가 아이나 라이브 아이나 진다 아이나 플레이그라운드 에수 얌 그라운드 에수 또 그럽니 또저수 크라이 레르머니고 아시쿠마 파바 플레이그라운드에 우지 네이처 미디 페사 정을 갤러리 사우다 RCC다 페사 얌얌 정이나 너 거기 시디 아도 갤러고 더베나 에디 카디 갱게드라 렌스라이드 더거라 미시마시디 너희끼리 우파이 더거드라 애기 군기 playground ka noy si mong male misi lensa tonar ba na khot na ba sin hen wabni aduna misi ground si kum basi laipak yam phei ko si kum ba ngasi noy miam 38 akhoi nahan agi to 32 ni ai nahan chief case over adu khwai gi yambra harga ngasi 38 amok atune hen amok yame yam haroe ngasan da khoi na si asum chalinga si noy ma 바르바라 아숨 텔링하시다 너에게 템 송란 너기 사이세 공부도 너희 이세 공부도 에모도 이세도 에코 땅물론데 카카라 만남들이네 모두 이세 다르데 너희 모두 거우노고 너희 시 스포츠레가 크라마는 델리텔니 크라마는 그다이담 범다 잡다시다 너희는 것이 농시나 아한기 마망다 너희는 랩기바 나바신기 나마신부 닝신바 하비 이세도수 오이스노 akhoi ngisi sumaine phamba ngisi khoina sumaine sikuma danjasi sorna chanbiduna akhoi si non christian su yormoi adubu isorle haji akhoi myamna khalaga ngisi lakpiriba mayam si loin mak the honor haibangam de adubu green and metia aduga T6 gi deputy commissioner SP gi staff security personnel sing aduga masida ngisi gi volunteers compared to the Noibusu, Isorna Chanbisno, me Nadi, a coin Labak Pasno, Isorna Chanbivan Hen pay, Noibu Isorna Chanbisno. Simasi a Hairiga, a Loisin Jarage, I in the city. I asked him, Haimiko, a program your Tungjoy, a quote on time on the last term Sidamako, a Laktam Neduna, Kunji Younger, a the Chobersu Tonga. 가리다 라가에 에디 액시덴트 사이 액시덴트 프라임 미니스터 군나 세람들 남도시다 에디 좀나막 에디 라케 안락부시다 시කු마 던자 방부시 노에 미암부시 얌 하로 봉독에 에 아주 프리퍼레이션 다 락담니나 아이나 후직 아코이기 호스키 aduga PNTM gi president na panye bu tofa khra khra pige. Amok lakhi gini ko, ego su amar karo elakhi gini.
Thank you, Honorable Minister Khashim Vashum, for your promising speech and for giving us hope that we still have leaders who are genuinely concerned for the betterment of the people. May the luck always favors you wherever you are. Thank you, sir. Jita artist mai tau hi Honorable Minister new special request aliso abue nimai tau pairau vishore nimai tau pairau vi hana hai chua stage hi tapa supu puera ko abue. Maim sonu batau vanu welcome supulation jita artist mai tau hai.
Check. Check, check. 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 Hello? Hello, check. Hello? Hello? Hello, check. Check. Hello, check. Start from beginning. Hello, hello. Hello, check. Hello, check, check, check.
Pairao viju hai shanaraka no shaluhoi. Mutisha buri. Nemai pairao ramenu give viju hana hai pua. Bavi sutulutio. Tralore. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now witness a performance from a very talented artist who have come all the way from Razaba range to beautify our event with her melodious voice. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Miss Kurulori.
Check. Hello, PNTM. Arreka, President PNTM, the colleagues me, Nemetra Lotus Supply, Neme RSU me, Tiluha Avifano, Razaba Students Union me have a Pijova. The PNTM sports meet Nemehanafa Avina Sasolo, the Iju Nemeju Razaba Students Union me Musasano, Lo Alisa Piju Sasale.
just couldn't hold myself back because I really enjoyed the music which she just performed. And I just wanted to get on my feet and start dancing a little bit. Did you feel the same, ladies and gentlemen? So then, can we put it up once again for the beautiful and very exciting talent? Thank you very much. The union would like to acknowledge the Veymai Razaba Students Union President. So kindly stand wherever you are and receive a small gift as a token of our love. The organizing committee would like to acknowledge some of our dignitaries. As I call out your name, kindly stand wherever you are. UNC executives, kindly stand wherever you are. NPO executives, SDSA president and executives, PNU executives, PNM executives, SDO Palmata, SDO Chilivai, Mr. Achavi, Mr. Garnerman, Mega Mr. Northeast 2021. Thank you for gracing the event with your glorious presence. Chuoluza aju session we akahi true tefiano tralochi Mr. John H., General Secretary PNTM hi telepuya boy.
Kalore ito mother turn ju awi telepuya su puivani. Ju akhaiwe ju te kalochi dohana I ju te hi ipomana we 23rd PNTM tournament ni tavelo buju wakomato pumai pai la sa mo buju kemato hi kalochi do puilai ni ito pumai musu hinza da khaivelai. At the outset, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Minister Vashum for gracing the 23rd PNTM Tournament 2024. With your presence, it has added immense honor and significance to this celebration, fostering a spirit of unity and sportsmanship. Once again, thank you, sir, for being part of the 23rd PNTM Tournament. Further, I, on behalf of PNTM office, extend my appreciation to all our distinguished guests who have honored us with their presence on this celebration. Well, I beg pardon to all the guests of the day to allow me to continue my word of thanks in local language for the convenience of the congregation. The 23rd PNTM Tournament 2024 hi jo inaugural we akhaiwe chido rai rakeswa I kalo ponai jo tite pomana hini pomai we siha ala ram we siha poni pomai niza tachwa ni pa pomai ka the pomai ko pa ni pa wako body duty hini leaders who biju ma kemto kalo es satemoni pomai niza hini nyano tu we putu we so ni pomana ki ko ni ko salai biju jo tite either way program high velo biji mata ni to ma ali li ji ni sapani ka lo chi polo erge tile ni sure ni beauty happening tile ngo tip left ni ni tong mai service ja ni pobre za phi sho ka lo re jo vi program hana hi ni tong ni I velo mo shu ko program hana hai vi pil ho khis sol ho zama vi ra ko ala leader ma vi do kai kho kho hana ve kole ni babu mo shu ko za program vile mo chu ju za na pelu ni ta ve I to vi inaugural vi ceremony hana hi ta ve jo vi va ni to pui za ka lo vi chi do hana hi za popa ngau ni ve ka lo popu noi yo ti the hi program hi participants ma to chi do vi ala has ju je do ni po lo mai me le hi ni po ve ne vi je do vi chi do vi pai la vi ni sa sa the ni so ngo po ne program hana I to ni cho za ni ngo vi pu ha vi pu ni sa how tar ni khai ku te so lu wa ni ka lo po pu noi yo ti the hi I to PNTM federating units ma to hi ni leaders ma to ni pomai vi contingents ma to sa value ni je vi shwa ro tho shwa po ni awi do vi je vi han hai po ma na hi po ve so ngo dua has ju do le ni kho pa mo tele so ha pa mo ni ta ve lo bi ji contingents ma to hi ka lo pa wi nai akhai khala so ni ka lo po pu nai je vi 23rd PNTM tournament 2024 hi host village ito Tungjoy Veymai zadu shwa thu shana pa mo ni pumana seba sulai ro ni ve PNTM office ni ve ito Tungjoy Veymai ni ve pumana tournament hi pumana seba so ni thu shana pha lai ro ni khalu ni do ve lai ve do ni jugute jeze shozo ju hani asaju chi do ni sapo ni mai soe ta ve lo bi ju delegates mai ala guest ma ta sapo ni ne to vi je do vi chi do vi hasaju hangau ju je do ni sa ni jugute ha po bi vi wa ni akhai khasle so ni Tungjoy I to Veymai ni to ngi mai hin za ka lo hanai pongong nai ka lo rai ini teleport hai khalai
Kalore GS PNTM tele mucha toanu kalochi popui vasanu choloza mai tawnu cha chuso leidenu Games and Sports Secretary Jonathan Ashavi hi tele puya boy lighting of torch and oath taking Mr. Jonathan Ashavi, ni taile puya boy. Jito torch bearer so aburi Miss Bevine hai paibung kunau hinoi chumai. She represented Manipur volleyball state team at the 70th Senior National Volleyball Championship 2021-22 held at Odisha. Represented Manipur and captain of Manipur volleyball state team at the 71st Senior National Volleyball Championship 2022-23 held at Guwahati, Assam. Awarded Best Spiker of Manipur State Volleyball Championship 2022 held at Kumanlampak Stadium, Imphal. She was also awarded Best Spiker at Kohima Open Volleyball Tournament 2022. Mr. PM Rakeviche, Puhai Tungjoy Village Chinoy, played for AU Rajasthan FC 2021-22, Second Division League and Rajasthan State League, represented Manipur football state team as the National Games 2022 held at Gujarat, current player of KIYC, playing Third Division League. Captain, flag holders mai tau camera vi pahi ko lapuyo. Captain, flag holders mai tau camera vi pahi ko lapuyo. Maim sono bataw va pileshe.
Oath of sportsmanship. I, of, do hereby solemnly swear that I will abide by all the rules of the games, that I will respect all calls and decisions of the referees and game officials, and that I will at all times, as a true sportsman whose desire is to win, is only second to the love of the game itself. I further solemnly declare that each game is a friendly contest done in a spirit of camaraderie and true friendship, where we triumph as considerate victors or losers, with grace and determined will to win. To all these ideals, I hereby pledge my wholehearted cooperation and full commitment. In His name, we pledge. Thank you.
Tralore Jonathan Ashawi ninu muchato no sa muitao no chachu su hai sa sutupiwa sunu. I now request the Honorable Minister Khashim Vashum to kindly march forward and declare the 23rd PNTM tournament.
Okay. Han declare those. Now, I, Khashim Vashum, 23rd PNTM tournament 2024 at Tungjoy declare. Major Shalago, Messi Pava, volleyball, where is volleyball? One more volleyball? Messi and the Gauraga. Half see the 2,000 rupees pigni. Aduga, Mokhe Tausu Pagnico, lucky swigne. Aduna Messi half to the 2,000. Volleyball is the same. Still volleyball. Oh, okay.
Bol puluna, hello tagubuyo. Bol puluna.
Maim Sonu PNTM v 23rd tournament Vujisha Buri Tite Hai Cho Hotalere Chu Jitawi match Haina Hai Jitawi Honorable Minister Khashim Vashum Zakuwea Buju Punu Open Supi Tefia Jitaw match Hotalere Players Maitonu Soda Bupeo Cho match Haina Vanu Jitawi compares Maitauhi Tado Puenu Putau Suzova Pasutaleshe.
Unit flags to hai Lashianu torch to ga bu te ka hi flag to khai bu su bgi de we te hi sa ku to bu de unit flags new ma te de pong so we.
We are so blessed to have a generous chief guest today in our midst. Thank you, chief guest. Juve exhibition match Hilopiro High PNTM team versus PNTM senior team. PNTM team Hilopiro Maito Jis Chubapois Sulai, Asar Clement K, John H. Livingston, Dearson, Bonitro, Angelus, Robinson, Rockland, Isaac Tawiner, Mashungam, Romeo, Pule, Jonah, Dako, Hangau, Bunobil, Washington Co, Peter Yuno, Savio Cole. Alea PNTM senior team hi Lokobi Myrono, Glam, Tozer, Dominic, Daniel, Feeler, Ngaurai, Tosher, Taukulu, Koze, Newman, Theophilus, Bismarck, Ashok, Hobson Talita, Andrew, Ilya, Haluna, and K.H. Eliza. Le ball polo na high ball hahi lishiano fego summit supeo. Nimay daw shampoo re ball na lukay po iba dan nimay daw his request suwe.